Tasi!
Hello again, little learners. Are you ready for a new letter? Let's bounce into the brilliant letter B. Say it with me. B, B, B. This is uppercase B. B is the second letter of the alphabet. Hooray! This is lowercase b. B is for bear. Bear waves. A balloon floats by. Banana. Banana wiggles and smiles. B. Buzzing bee zips past. Let's learn how to trace the letter B. Get your finger ready and trace with me in the N. A straight line up, one round bump, another round bump.
B is for bear, balloon, and bee. So many bee words, come sing with me. B is big and B is bright. Let's say B with all our might. B is for bear, balloon, and bee. So many bee words, come sing with me. B is for bear, balloon, and bee. Let's say B with all our might and sing with me.
Great job, friends! You just learned the letter B. See you next time for more alphabet fun.